Hey guys, I'm glad to be here again. Bonjour, soyez les bienvenus. So welcome back to my channel. So this is Learn French with Queen. This is the first time stumbling on my video. I say big welcome. Do well to take a seat because here we take it gradually. And if you are wondering what's up on this platform, this is a space for everything French. Okay, so do well to check out my previous video so you can catch up with what we're doing on the platform. If you like them, give them thumbs up. Don't forget to share to loved ones who will like this content. And as well, click on that subscription button. It's quite important. So subscribe. So on today's video, we'll be looking at la maison. We're looking at house, la maison. And so we're not just looking at house in general, okay, because there are so many things in the house. So we have different apartments in the house, or should I say different rooms in the house. That is les pièces de la maison. So basically these are the major rooms we have in the house. Every house should have. So the bedroom, the living room, the room itself, and the kitchen. Okay, so although there are other parts of the house, or should I say there are other space that are created in the house, okay, that are not limited to just what I've just mentioned. Some people may have the garage, and the rest of it, but these major ones I've mentioned, they are, of course, you can't do without having them in the house. So on today's video, we'll be narrowing it down. I'm not going to be looking at everything at once, but on today's video, we'll be looking at la salle de bain. In English language, it's referred to as the bathroom. La salle de bain. So the very first one we'll be starting with on today's video is le WC. Le WC, which is referred to in English language as the WC, that is the toilet itself, the water closet. Okay, le WC. WC. For W is W. Okay, so we have double V, W. So it's still WC. You get it? So that is referred to as le WC. Okay, so now let's look at the toilet itself, le WC, woman. Okay, so for the toilet itself, you can imagine the structure of the toilet is having a tank, a kind of reservoir where the water stores, and then the one where we flush, and then the water goes through, and the rest of it. So now let's study our toilet. So the water tank where we are having the tank is called le réservoir. Le réservoir, just as it is in French language, is that you call it reservoir or the water tank in English language. Okay, so after that we have that very one on top of it. At times some of the toilets have it on top, you press it down, and some have it by the side, and then you do this way, you flush it down. Okay, so whichever, whether on top or at the side, is called la chasse d'eau. La chasse d'eau, and in English language it is referred to as the flusher, okay, or the toilet handle. So the toilet handle or the flusher is where you flush or you press on it, and the magic happens. The next one, we have the cover, the toilet cover, which is referred to as le couvercle. Is referred to as the toilet lid or the toilet cover, whichever one you want to call it. Okay, the next one, which is the toilet seat itself, is referred to as la lunette. Okay, you can see it's round, so it's looking like Google. So it's called la lunette. So it's called the toilet seat in English language. Okay, I think we are flowing along with those things we have in our toilets and what their names are called in French language. So let's keep learning. So we have another one. When your toilet is dirty, what do you use to clean it up? Of course, we use la brosse. La brosse, and in English language it's referred to as brush, the toilet brush. And so the toilet brush does the cleaning and it's clean up. Okay, so we use the toilet brush to clean the toilet, pour brosser dans la toilette. Okay, ou bien pour nettoyer dans la toilette. La même chose. So now let's move to the next one. We have le lavabo. le lavabo, which is referred to in English language as the sink or the wash hand basin. There we wash our hand. On se lave la main. On se lave la main ou bien les mains. Les mains. Ok? Je vais laver les mains. Je vais laver les mains. Ou bien je vais laver les mains. Ok? So, le lavabo, which is referred to as the sink or the wash hand basin. We have le robinet. Le robinet is referred to as the tap. Okay? So, on top of our lavabo, which is the sink or the wash hand basin, there's always a tap there. And then you switch on, or you turn on, rather, you turn on the water pour laver la main, to wash our hands. So we have le robinet, which is referred to as the tap. We have another one. We have le savon, which is referred to in English language as soap. So we can also have le savon liquide, which is a liquid soap. Okay, so whichever, le savon, soap. We have another one. We have la baignoire, which is the bath tube for taking a bath. So the next one we have le dentifrice, which is referred to in English language as the toothpaste. Of course, we make do of this every blessed day. There's no day you go out without using your toothpaste. Le dentifrice. Okay, we use it together with la brosse à dents. La brosse à dents. Pour brosser les dents. Okay, so on met le dentifrice sur la brosse à dents. So you make do of your toothbrush and your toothpaste pour brosser les dents, to brush your teeth. So we have another one, is referred to as la douche, which is referred to in English language as shower. Okay, the shower. Okay, the shower is always up, and then you can have a nice cool bath with your shower. Okay, so the next one we have le rideau de douche. Le rideau de douche, which is the shower curtain. We have the next one, which is le papier toilette. So le papier toilette is referred to in English language as the toilet paper. And that we have what we put our toilet paper, or should I say what holds the toilet paper, is referred to in French as le porte-rouleau. Le porte-rouleau, and in English language is referred to as the toilet paper holder. Okay, so that's what holds the toilet paper, and then you can pull off your toilet paper anyhow you want it. Okay, so we're learning. So let's move to the next one. We have la serviette. La serviette is referred to as the towel. Our towel that we use to clean up our body after our bath. Après avoir douché, okay? Ou bien se doucher. So we have another one. We have le miroir, which is referred to in English language as the mirror. Of course, we make do of the mirror. No, ladies do make do of that so well for makeups and the rest of that. And the men as well make do of it. Pour se raser. Pour se raser. Okay, so some people have their rasoir in their bedroom as well. So we have le rasoir. Le rasoir. Okay, pour raser, se raser. Okay, so the verb is se raser. So that's referred to as the shaving stick or the razor for shaving. Okay, and I think the last one on the list for today's video is la machine à laver. So some people have this inside their bedroom or inside their douche or their salle de bain. So la machine à laver is referred to as the washing machine in English language. Okay, so I hope we got that. So we mentioned so many things we can find in our toilet. Let's take it one more time. We have le WC, le lavabo, le robinet, le savon, la baignoire, le dentifrice, la brosse à dents, la douche, le rideau de douche, le papier toilette, le porte-rouleau, la serviette, le miroir, la machine à laver. And for our WC, we made mention of le réservoir, la chasse d'eau, le couvercle et la lunette. And we also have our brosse, la brosse. So what do we do in the toilet actually? We either use the toilet to pee or to poo, right? Okay, so we say faire pipi ou bien uriner. Okay, faire pipi means to pee or to urinate. Okay, and so if you want to make do of that as an expression, you say je veux faire pipi ou bien je vais faire pipi. I want to pee or I'm going to pee, whichever way you want to say it. Or je veux uriner ou bien je vais uriner. So whichever way you want to say it. The same goes for faire caca or défiquer. Okay, je veux faire caca, je vais faire caca, je vais défiquer ou bien faire. And if you don't want to make do of either of these two expressions, you can as well say je vais aller au WC or je veux aller au WC or je veux utiliser la toilette ou bien le WC. Or you can as well say je dois aller aux toilettes ou bien au WC. So whichever way you want to say it, these are various ways of saying that you definitely want to make do of the toilet. And for sure, after using the toilet, what do we do? On se lave les mains ou bien la main, les mains, les mains. So on se lave les mains. Donc on se lave les mains dans le lavabo. Okay, so I hope you've gotten something from today's video, and I hope you can relate with those things inside your toilet. And if there are some things inside your toilet that I didn't make mention of in this video, kindly let me know at the comment section below. Okay. So that's where we are going to take a pause for today's video. So if you find the video useful and informative, do well to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share to loved ones and hit that subscription button. It's quite important. Let's keep the community going. So see you till my next one. Au revoir.